This is the voice of Chinese tissue paper and hygiene products industry. Today is November the 21st. Here is news briefs. 1. China Tissue Paper Industry Research Tour in Shandong. 3rd stop, Shandong Zhuobi Maternal and Infant Products Company, Limited. On the afternoon of November the 5th, a delegation from the Secretariat of China National Household Paper Industry Association visited Shandong Zhuobi Maternal and Infant Products Company, Limited. The delegation visited the company's showroom and diaper production workshop, followed by a discussion and exchange session. Since 2016, Shandong Zhuobi has been engaged in the development of online laminated cores, initiating mass production in 2018, and has adhered to a differentiated ODM strategy. 2. China Tissue Paper Industry Research Tour in Shandong. 4th stop, Asia Symbol, Shandong Pulp and Paper Company, Limited. On the morning of November the 6th, a delegation from the Secretariat of China National Household Paper Industry Association visited Asia Symbol, Shandong Pulp and Paper Company, Limited. The delegation visited the company's showroom, tissue paper, pulping and lyocell production lines, and the urban reclaimed water reuse plant, followed by a discussion and exchange session. Asia Symbol entered the tissue paper industry with a high starting point and continues to uphold the concept of sustainable development, striving for innovation and high-quality growth in the pulp and paper industry. 3. China Tissue Paper Industry Research Tour in Shandong. 5th stop, Rizhao Huatai Paper Company, Limited. On the afternoon of November the 6th, a delegation from the Secretariat of China National Household Paper Industry Association visited Rizhao Huatai Paper Company, Limited. The delegation visited the company's extensible paper production workshop and product showroom, followed by a discussion and exchange session. Rizhao Huatai has been focusing on its core business of paper replacing plastic through extensible paper, while actively expanding its fluff pulp business and accelerating its development in the hygiene products industry. 4. China Tissue Paper Industry Research Tour in Shandong. 6th stop, Shandong Hengan Paper Company, Limited. On the morning of November the 7th, a delegation from the Secretariat of China National Household Paper Industry Association visited Shandong Hengan Paper Company, Limited. The delegation visited the production lines for tissue parent roll and post-processing, followed by a discussion and exchange session. The company boasts a comprehensive quality inspection system, establishing itself as a benchmark in the industry. 5. China Tissue Paper Industry Research Tour in Shandong. 7th stop, Weifang Henglian Lancel Hygiene Products Limited. On the morning of November the 7th, a delegation from the Secretariat of China National Household Paper Industry Association visited Weifang Henglian Lancel Hygiene Products Limited. The group visited the post-processing workshop and tissue parent roll production workshop, followed by a discussion and exchange session. Henglian Lancel has been dedicated to the production and R&D of absorbent liner paper for hygiene products in the tissue paper industry, driving its transformation towards the high-end market. 6. China Tissue Paper Industry Research Tour in Shandong. 8th stop, Dezhou Shenggang Paper Company, Limited. On November the 7th, a delegation from the Secretariat of China National Household Paper Industry Association visited Dezhou Shenggang Paper Company, Limited. The delegation visited the tissue parent roll production and post-processing workshops, followed by a discussion and exchange session. Shenggang Paper impressed the delegation with its advantages in cogeneration and operational flexibility. 7. China Tissue Paper Industry Research Tour in Shandong. 9th stop, Shandong Hengfa Hygienic Products Company, Limited. On the morning of November the 8th, a delegation from the Secretariat of China National Household Paper Industry Association visited Shandong Hengfa Hygienic Products Company, Limited. The delegation visited the production workshop and product showroom, followed by a discussion and exchange session. Hengfa places great emphasis on R&D and innovation, striving to enhance product quality. 8. China Tissue Paper Industry Research Tour in Shandong. 10th stop, Shandong Kunsheng Environmental Protection Technology Company, Limited. On the afternoon of November the 8th, a delegation from the Secretariat of China National Household Paper Industry Association visited Shandong Kunsheng Environmental Protection Technology Company, Limited. For a research tour, the delegation held discussions and visited the company's tissue paper production workshop. Kunsheng specializes in the recycling and reuse of leftover materials from food packaging paper, producing natural color tissue paper, industrial semi-finished plastic granules, aluminum foil sheets, and other products. 9. The inaugural meeting of China Guangxi Household Paper Industry Association and the first meeting of the first session were held in Guigang City. On November 7, the inaugural meeting of China Guangxi Household Paper Industry Association and the first meeting of the first session were successfully held in Guigang City. Dr. Tao Junlei, chairman of China National Household Paper Industry Association, attended the event and delivered a keynote speech. 10. China Focus Hot Melt Company Limited achieves revenue of 506 million yuan in the third quarter of 2024. In the third quarter of 2024, Focus Hot Melt Company Limited recorded a revenue of approximately 506 million yuan, marking a year-on-year increase of 21.03%. The net profit attributable to shareholders of the listed company was approximately 9.62 million yuan, reflecting a year-on-year decrease of 73.96%. 11. China OK Science and Technology Company Limited achieves revenue of 108 million yuan in the third quarter of 2024. In the third quarter of 2024, OK Science and Technology Company Limited reported revenue of approximately 108 million yuan, a year-on-year decrease of 6.52%. The net profit attributable to shareholders of the listed company was approximately 13.34 million yuan, reflecting a year-on-year decline of 77.22%.